What does Shoykot want to improve?
English.
English.
English. Very good. What is Shoykot?
A student.
A student.
A
A student.
A student. Shoykot is a student of a dash.
primary school.
Primary school.
Primary
এখানে ইউনিভার্সিটি আছে,
Primary school.
হাই স্কুল আছে, প্রাইমারি স্কুল। In order to improve our English, we should dash.
Read English storybooks.
ভালো করে দেখো।
Practice speaking English.
Practice speaking English.
অপশনগুলো ভালো করে দেখো।
Watch cartoons on TV. There. Do all this.
Do all this.
Do all of this. Do all of this. এগুলো সবই করি আমরা। Watch cartoon on TV, read English storybook, practice speaking English. সবগুলো আমাদের করতে হবে in order to improve our English. আমাদের ইংলিশ উন্নতি করার জন্য। সৈকত likes book about dash.
Tigers and lions. Tigers and lions.
Tigers and lions. Excellent.